Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to show you a part of my collection of jewelry that is made of bone and teeth. So I have here different types of necklaces, and as you can see, they use different materials. For example, here I have used cord to hang the jewelry around the neck. Here I have some chain. This is nylon, black nylon cord, and this is leather. Let's take one of those jewelry items. So this one is made of tooth. As you can see, this is a shark tooth, a fossil shark tooth. In order to hang it on the necklace, I had to make a hole in the bone, and also I attached a bail made of silver wire. So as you can see, the bail is handmade, and I have a lesson where I show you how you can make a bail in order to hang a pendant around the neck. So for this type of bail, I have a video where I show you step by step how you can create this type of bail for your pendants. So this is the shark tooth, and I used nylon cord to hang it around the neck. Let's see another type of tooth. This tooth, as you can see, is very small. This is a dog's tooth, and I used this ring in order to hang it on the necklace, and I also used nylon cord, black nylon cord. So when you want to whiten bone or teeth, you can use either bleach or hydrogen peroxide, and you have to keep them in the liquid for a while until the bone becomes very white. Now let's see another tooth. This is a larger tooth. This is a tooth from a pig. Let's see what other jewelry items I have. This one is also a dog tooth, and I used a chain to hang it around the neck. This necklace uses both teeth and also wooden beads. So it's a combination of wooden beads and teeth. Now let's take another necklace. This one, for example, is in the shape of a fish hook. It has the surface sculpted, and as you can see, it has no orifice here, so I had to bind it with the nylon cord this way, so that I can attach the necklace. And in order to close and open the necklace, I created a loop, and I used a bit of bone so that I can open and close the necklace like this. So I have made this loop here and the bit of bone that goes through the loop here. This way. This one is also in the shape of a fish hook or a spiral. It has the surface sculpted, and I used some beads here, wooden beads, and these are coconut beads. And for the necklace I used leather cord with the sliding knot. This one is a variant of the previous bone pendant. It's also in the shape of a spiral. I also used beads, wooden beads, and a coconut bead, and a leather cord with sliding knots. This one is sculpted on the surface. It is in the shape of a fish hook, and I used a bone bead here and some wooden beads here, and also sliding knots. And the last two pendants are made of bone. This one is in the shape of an arrowhead, and it has a nylon cord with a lobster claw clasp here. And the last one is in the shape of Thor's hammer, and it has also a nylon cord with sliding knots. So this is a part of my collection of bone and tooth and teeth jewelry, and I've told you a few things about how they are created, about the techniques that I used in order to create those necklaces.